Eighth question of exercise 1.3 arithmetic progression. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. So here the question is find the sum of first 51 terms. So that is S21, we need to find out this one, and they have given second term A2 and third term A3. These two are 14 and 18. Okay, so here we need to find out S21. To find out S21, we need A and D common difference. Okay, so here we know generally the common difference is A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2. Okay, so here A3 and A2 given, so we can calculate D here. A3 is 18 minus 14, this is 4. Here we have D is 4, then we calculate by using A2. We know A2 is 14. A2 can be written as A plus of D is equals to 14. A plus D is 4 here equals to 14. A is 14 minus 4 is equals to 10. So here now we have D4 and A10. Okay, now we will find out S51 terms. S51, this is 51. Okay, so Sn we know that Sn is equals to n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus of n minus 1 into d. Okay, so here S51 is equals to 51 by 2 into bracket of 2 into a is 10 plus of n is 51 minus 1, d is 4. So here 51 by 2 into bracket of 2 10 ja 20 plus of 50 minus 1 is 50, 54 ja 200. So this is now 51 by 2 into 220. 1 ja, this is 110 ja. The multiplication of these two, S51 is 5610. Here the ninth question is if the sum of first 7 terms of AP is 49. Sum of first 7 term, that is S7 is 49 and that of 17 term is 289. Sum of 7 terms and sum of 17 terms, that is this is S17 is equals to 289. Find the sum of first n terms. Okay, first sum of first n terms means Sn. We need to find out this one. To find out this one, we need the first term and common difference. Okay, we will solve this one. Sn, we know Sn formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus of n minus 1 into d. Okay, so I apply in this case first one Sn, that is S7. Okay, S7 is n by 2 is 7 by 2 into bracket of 2a plus of n minus 1 into d is equals to, this is how much, 49. So then S17, S in the place of n is 17. 17 by 2 into bracket of, here n is 7. Okay, so here 17 by 2 into bracket of 2a plus of n minus 1. N is here 17 minus 1 into d is equals to, here sum is 289. This is S17, this is S7. So now on calculating this, S7 by 2, 2a plus 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 into d, 6d equals to 49. So this is 17 by 2, 2a plus 16d into equals to 289. Okay, so here I just calculate one. So here 7 by 2, 2 is common. We have a plus of 2 3 ja 6. Okay, this is 49. So here 2 to get cancelled. We have a plus 3d equals to 49 into 7 becomes here divided by 7. 7 ja 7, 7 ja. So here we have a plus 3d equals to 7. I call this as equation number 1. Okay, so now on calculating this one. So here again 2 is common. Okay, here we have 2 1 ja 2, that is a plus of 2 8 ja equals to 289. So then 2 to get cancelled. A plus AD is equals to 8D equals to 289. So this is 17 into becomes divided by 17 on ja, this is 17 7 ja. Okay, we know 17 square is 289. So here we have A plus of 8D equals to 17. This is equation number 2. So here we have two equations in the form of A and D. So I subtract 2 by 1. So do here 2 minus 1. Here we will get equation 2 is A plus of 8D minus A minus 3D equals to 17 minus 7. So LHS minus LHS, RHS minus RHS. So A becomes 0, 8D minus 3D is 5D equals to 17 minus 7 is 10. 5 1 ja, this is 5 2 ja, here D is 2. I substitute the D in equation 1. Okay, here we have equation A plus of 3D equals to 7. Here A plus of 3 into D is 2 equals to 7. A is equals to 7 plus 3 2 ja 6 plus becomes minus 3 2 ja 6. So here A is 1. So here we have A is 1, D is 2. So here we need to find out the sum of n terms, that is Sn. Sn is equals to n by 2 into bracket of 2A plus of n minus 1 into D. Okay, Sn is equals to n by 2 into bracket of here 2. A is 1 plus of n is n minus 1, D is 2. Okay, so now here Sn is equals to n by 2 into bracket of 2 1 ja 2 plus here I multiply 2 inside, 2 into n, 2n plus into minus minus 2 1 ja 2 plus 2 minus 2 becomes 0. So here n by 2 into 2n, 2 to get cancelled, n into n is n square. This is sum of first n terms of given AP Sn. So here 10th question. Show that A1, A2, dash dash, An dash dash form an AP where An is defined as below. So An is given here, two questions are given. So we need to find out A1, A2 and then whether it forms AP or not, we need to check that one, and also find out the sum of first 15 terms in each of the cases. We need to find out the sum of 15 terms also. The first question is An equals to 3 plus of 4n. So here I just find out A1, A2 and so on. So first term A1 is substitute n. N is 1, 3 plus 4n equals to 3 plus of 4 1 ja 4 equals to 7. So A2 is 3 plus of 4, n is 2. Okay, so 3 plus of 4 2 ja 8. Okay, this is equals to 11. Then A3 is 3 plus of 4 into 3 equals to 3 plus of 4 3 ja 12. This is equals to 15. So here I have found out 3 terms here. Then we know common difference. D is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 is 11 minus 7 equals to 4. Yes, then again D is equals to A3 minus A2. A3 is 15 minus 11 equals to 4. Yes, this forms an AP. Okay, so now here we need to find out these the terms are 7, 11, 15. So these are in AP. So now we need to find out the sum of 15 terms, that is Sn. Okay, Sn is equals to n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus of n minus 1 into D. So here we need to find out S15, 15 by 2 into bracket of 2 into here A is 7 plus n is 15 minus 1 and the common difference is 4. So this is equals to 15 by 2, 7 2 ja 14 plus of this is 15 minus 1 is 14, 14 4 ja, that is 56. So this is equals to 15 by 2 into 14 plus 56 is this is 70. Okay, 1 ja, this is 35 ja. Yes, we have Yes, 15 is equals to 35, 15 ja, this is equals to 5, 25. This is the sum of the first 15 terms. So second question is, yes, an is equals to 9 minus 5n. Okay, I find out a1. a1 is 9 minus 5 into n is 1. So 9 minus 5 1 ja 5 equals to 9 minus 5 is 4. So a2 is 9 minus 5 2. Okay, n is 2, 5 into 2, that is 9 minus 5 2 ja 10 equals to minus 1. Then a3 is 9 minus 5 into 3, this is equals to 15. So that is 9 minus 5 3 is 15. Okay, so here we have 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9 is minus 6. Okay, so then this is greater one, so that's why minus 6. a4, 9 minus 5 into 4 equals to 9 minus 5 4 ja 20, that is 20 minus 9 is 11. This is greater one, so minus 11. Okay, here we need to find out d. So see, d is here a2 minus a1. Okay, a2 is minus 1 minus a1 is 4. This is minus 5. Then again d, a3 minus a2 is, a3 is minus 6 minus a2 is minus 1 equals to minus 6 plus 1, minus into 1 plus 1, this is again equals to minus 5. So then again d equals to a4 minus a3, a4 is minus 11 minus a3 is minus 6, this is equals to minus 11 plus 6, this is again equals to minus 5. Here d is same, that's why these forms, these are in AP. So now we will find out the sum of n terms of AP. Okay, here I find out sum of n terms of AP. So here Sn is equals to, we know formula, n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus of n minus 1 into d. Okay, so here S 15 terms, 15 by 2, 2 into, here a is 4 plus of n is 15 minus 1, d we have minus 5. Okay, so this is minus 5. So then 15 by 2 into bracket of 2 4 ja 8 plus of 15 minus 1 is 14, 14 into 5. Okay, so here we have 15 by 2 into bracket of 8 plus into minus minus. Okay, 14 5 ja 70. So this is equals to 15 by 2, 70 minus 8 is, again this is 62, that is minus 62. 1 ja, this is 31 ja. Okay, so the product is, this is equals to minus 465.